Hey y'all, we are back with another voiceover. And this time it's a grown-up because I feel like she just put her trust in me a little too much. Now All They Got Hoes sent me a ton of products from their line. They sent 3 braid gels, an edge control, 2 sheen sprays, a wax stick, spritz, mousse, a comb, clip, and edge control combo. When I tell you, I am so thankful. For those of you that braid, do weaves, quick weaves, whatever, do not give up. Put your faith in God, because when I tell you there are companies out here that will work with you, believe me when I say it. Anyways, this was the inspo for today, but since we could not see the back all the way, I just was like, girl, I'm gonna just go ahead and go all the way up, because I really just did not feel like my client hair being ugly today. And yeah, she is bent all the way down because I am very short, y'all. I am only 5'2". So when I have clients that sit hop in the chair, baby, if you want a ponytail, you're gonna have to bend that head down, okay? I'm so sorry. And yeah, she did want her braids teeny tiny. I had to flat iron her nape part because it was a little shorter than the rest of her hair. And I ended up catching it, but whatever I could not grip, I just left it out because I refuse for my clients to have bumps, and I refuse for them to be in pain with a stiff neck. No, ma'am. And so far, so good. It's looking very cute, very uniform. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this was the most difficult ponytail I've done. And yes, I did do my anchor braid, but somehow it just, I don't know. It was still cute once I was finished, though. Now, when you use that All They Got Hold gel, you only need a little bit. You do not need a lot, I promise you. A little bit goes a long way. And no, this is not like that orange braid gel. This is better. It is not sticky. It does not leave any white residue. And believe it or not, it does not take your hair out either. Now, I did start using this gel a while back before they even sent me the PR the first time. But when I tell y'all, I have not been able to find this product in the store since I started using it the first time. I'm really annoyed about that because this is one of my favorite products other than Neat Braid Gel. Now, I did go ahead and flat iron my girl front because she just has very thick hair and I wanted it to lay flat as possible, especially because of the style that she was getting. But why would we get to the front? We had to change the whole braid pattern. I mean, just simply because the pictures that she showed me, I could not see what was going on in the pictures. They only had pictures. They didn't have a video, only pictures. Now, I be telling my clients, y'all think I'm a magician. Y'all just think I could just see something and just copy it, which I can, but some stuff I just can't. And I'm one of those honest stylists. Like, I will let you know if I cannot do something. Like, I would tell you right off bat because, but y'all, once I was done with the perimeter of her head, I went on ahead and did her anchor braids in the middle. And I don't have to tell y'all what anchor braids are for. You should already know. But do y'all see how thick and full this ponytail is? Like, good God. And now that I'm looking at that one cornrow, I should have used less hair in the front. And maybe it would have been flatter than what it was. Some people can't see the flaws in my work, but I always see the flaws, child. Trust and believe. And I swear this style took me so long because I had to literally add boho to almost every piece of hair in her head. My braiders know what I'm talking about. Boho can really take a toll on you. That thing can take all day, child. But anyways, once I was done with the front of her head, I went in with the Got Hold wax stick and flat iron her kitchen. Used some of that edge control in the back to slick her hair down. Squeeze that mousse on those curly pieces. And went in with my sheen spray. Y'all, let me tell you, this style ate down. Got Hold edge control. Y'all got to go. Make sure y'all click the orange shopping cart below. Thanks for watching. Bye.